Mga jay. Mag-toothbrush gid ta sa bata actually. Pero kay hugaw mag-isyag tiil. Unahon na lang nato yung tiil. Kay grabe man kakulis. So, B, look at B, oh. I can see it's getting, wow. You burn it? What did you do?
I fell into the concrete.
You scratched it on the concrete?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Now on my socks.
Okay, tama na. That's okay na. Eh, bugno kayo, B. No. Leave it there because 1 sec lang. 1 sec. Atong limpyuhan. Pinapay sabon. Tama na ang sabon, pero atong waswasan. Nailisan din nato yung sanina. Ari, ba yung naong na bugay? Na. Close your eyes. Close your mouth. Tap lang. Do not wrinkle.
Oh, okay.
Okay. There. Show it if it's clean enough. Tap only. Then I'm gonna brush your teeth. Okay. Very good, man. We have to put some petroleum on that scratched. Okay? Sige. Duha na ni ka-brush. Ready na ni. Okay. Left and right man na ito i-brush. Manual o ang electric. Bye-bye na.